What's up YouTube, Seth here from How To Knots, back with another knot tutorial, and today we're going to be showing you how to tie ABOK154, which is the picket line hitch. So the picket line hitch is used to tie up horses. So you take your lead from your horse and you can tie it around a post. Clifford Ashley learned this knot from an artilleryman, I think, and in the book it says the artillerymen served at the Mexican border, and this is the knot that he used to tie up horses. So if you want to learn this knot, let's go for it. So the picket line hitch is kind of like the clove hitch, very similar. So we're going to come around here, our object, we're going to make that X like we're making a clove hitch. We're going to come underneath, and then instead of going clove hitch here, we're going to go over and then under, okay? And then I'm going to tighten up. And that's it. That's a picket line hitch. So let me explain to you how this works. So because we go over, so we make that initial X, we go over, and then we come underneath here. What this does is it traps the working end under this first loop here, okay? So for example, I'm going to hold on my anchor point because it's not too sturdy, and I'm going to start to pull, okay? I don't know if you can see this, but that working end is being trapped, and all of that tension put on this line is just pushing down on that working end. So if that horse decides to go and it starts to take that lead, the only thing that it's doing is trapping the working end and tightening the knot, because the more tension on the standing end or the lead or whatever you're using to tie up the horse, the more tension on the working end. And that's what makes this knot great. If you like this tutorial, make sure to subscribe and like and follow us on this journey. Sorry, we've been a bit since we've been back, but we're back with more videos. We're going to be coming out with lots, so stay tuned. Ashley's Book of Knots, we have an affiliate link in the description. Check it out. All proceeds support the channel. Thank you. See you next time and have a blessed day.